Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a custom link to one of our buttons using the Elementor Page Builder. First, we need to go to Pages, select the page where we want to edit the button. In this case we are going to use the home page, select it, and then we click on Edit with Elementor. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down a bit and we have a button on this section here, so we click it, and on the content tab where it says link we are going to type an URL. In this case we are going to type contact us, and we will select the contact us page of our site, and we have some link options here. We can choose it to be open on a new window or select and add no follow option. We are going to leave those as they are, and we are going to update on the lower left to save the changes. And now we need to see if the button works, so we are going to click on the lower left, also preview changes, and now we are going to the button and we are going to click on it, and it will take us to the contact us page as the link said. So we have added a link to our buttons, to the buttons of our site in a quick and easy manner using the Elementor Page Builder. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Palatech.